God bless you in Jesus' name. Welcome back to my channel. Right. So today, I want to show you something you can play when a preacher is preaching. All right. So, you could do something like this. So what am I doing? Our left hand is we're going off on. I'm in the key of C. Hey, imagine. All right. So we're doing our progression goes first chord on the left. You hold a B flat and E, B flat and E. Next chord is A and F. Right. Next is A flat and F. Then the next is G and E. One of the good things is you're gonna be able to improvise on this. If I start with this simple stuff, in as long as if the preaching goes for a long time, if it's going to go for a long time, I can improvise on this till it becomes something so technical. So, but it starts from, let's start from the simple part. So we have a one. So we have this, then this, then fa, then this. So first one, mi, fa, so, right? Then do, so. You can do, then do, so, fa, so, yeah, fa, mi, so, mi, fa, so, do, so. So you can see how I'm hitting the song going from F to G. Yeah. Let's keep watching. Yeah, right. All right. Okay, so I want you to go by this again. Learn this, right? So and your basis can just keep holding do ba 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 Alright, so make sure you click the subscribe button to learn more. I have over close to 500 materials for you, free of charge. Yeah, so with different stuff. Right, so click the subscribe button to learn more. God bless you in Jesus' name. Bye.